In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default weight unit from kilogram to pound in Shopify. This quick adjustment can be particularly beneficial if you are selling products in regions that predominantly use the imperial system, such as the United States. So, let's walk through this process together, making sure everything is set up just the way you need it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen and find the Settings option. This is your command center for adjusting various preferences and configurations to tailor Shopify more closely to your business needs. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll see various options that you can modify. What you need to focus on is the section dedicated to standards and measurements, specifically the unit system. This controls how units like weight are displayed in your store, which is crucial for inventory, shipping, and customer transparency. Click on the drop-down menu next to Unit System. You'll find two options here, Metric and Imperial. The metric system is widely used globally, and it includes measurements like kilograms for weight. But since we're focusing on changing our default weight unit to pounds, you'll want to select the Imperial system. The Imperial system is primarily used in the United States and uses pounds for weight. Once the Imperial system is selected, you're almost there. By choosing the Imperial option, Shopify will automatically update your default weight unit from kilograms to pounds. This switch will be reflected across your store, ensuring that all product weights are now displayed in pounds. This change not only aligns your measurements with the regional preferences of your audience, but also ensures clarity and precision when it comes to logistics like shipping and handling. And just like that, you've successfully adjusted your default weight unit on Shopify. This small tweak can make a significant difference in how your customers perceive their shopping experience, especially in parts of the world where the imperial system is the standard. Remember, clear communication helps avoid misunderstandings and ultimately builds trust with your clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any